What is a home improvement, construction, renovation loan? And is it right for you? This loan product is one of the best kept secrets of the mortgage industry. It allows you to borrow money to purchase and fix up a home with one loan, or borrow money to fix up a home you already own. Now, with this loan product, you can replace that old kitchen and bathroom, fix the roof, or make any other repairs from small to large, from a paint job to a complete gut renovation. FHA 203K loans, home improvement loans, construction loans, Fannie Mae Homestyle loans, rehab loans, renovation loans. There are several names and products available. The information we provide can help you figure out which one is right for you. The FHA 203K is one of the more popular products. This is a government-insured loan that has one-time upfront and monthly mortgage insurance and allows for lower down payments. The Fannie Mae Homestyle loan has no mortgage insurance with a 20% or more down payment. There is also construction to permanent loans, primarily for building a new home, and jumbo renovation loans for higher-priced mortgages. The key is to work with an experienced and knowledgeable lending professional who can assist you to determine which loan is right for you. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call today.